Hello, it's Brian Rezny. It's question and answer day. One of the questions that often comes up, and also I want to really discuss with you, the investor, is you as an investor need to check out the firm you entrust your money. If you're working with a bank, an insurance company, a brokerage house, check out the firm you entrust your money. Just this morning, they announced one of the other big banks created all these fraudulent accounts like Wells Fargo did basically a couple years ago. Remember Wells Fargo? They were fined billions of dollars for misdoings against their clients. This is happening now to another bank. Check out the bank. I stress to every client, why would you ever do business with a firm that's been fined once, twice, thousands of times, maybe for billions of dollars? It makes zero sense. But I will tell you, the majority of investors never go to the FINRA site or the SEC site to check out the firm they entrust their money. Now, and I think that's a big mistake. Check out the firm. While your brother-in-law may be your advisor, it's not your brother-in-law who's the bad guy. It's the bad umbrella your brother-in-law works for. No bank, no insurance company, no brokerage house is a fee-only fiduciary, none of them. So that means they don't legally work in your best interest. So if your cousin Bob or your brother-in-law Robert is overseeing your money, he or she is not the bad person. It's the umbrella they work under. Bob has to sell the products that brokerage firm requires him to sell. So there may be better products down the road, but unfortunately, you're never going to see him because Bob works under this bad umbrella. So again, don't check out Bob, check out the firm itself. You need to do that. One of the interesting things is a client that hired us a couple years ago was with I call him a so-called advisor. The guy was really just a salesman of investment products. And in fact, this client really did illegal stuff to this client that hired us. The newer client listened to me on my TV show. A lot of alarm bells went up. Him and his wife came in to see us. It turns out this person was sold a bunch of these crummy equity index annuities. The guy then sold a couple of those for huge surrender penalties to reload them in new equity index annuities for new surrender penalties just to generate a commission. Also, non-traded REITs and other garbage in the portfolio. What's interesting is the client talked to us. I said, you really should talk to a litigation attorney because this is really abuse and this is against the law. Well, what happens now is a couple of years fast forward, the client gets a letter in the mail. The broker, so-called advisor, is now going to the FINRA board and asking for that to be expunged off his record. Of course, it's not going to happen because I will make sure with the attorney that they're on that conference call to talk to the arbitration board. So this bad actor cannot get this taken off of their bad record. Again, folks, you can check out your brother-in-law Bob or your broker Bob, but if he's had misdoings expunged off his record, you'll never know about those. They should pass a law that requires this stuff to stay on the record. But unfortunately, Wall Street insurance companies and banks are powerful. They got a lot of lobbyists. They work with a lot of your government officials, so this stuff can continue to happen to you. The only kind of firm you should entrust your money to is a fee-only fiduciary money manager like Rezny Wealth Management. Never hire a brokerage house, a bank, or an insurance company. It may be your brother-in-law, it could be your cousin or your sister. They work under the bad umbrella. It makes the situation bad for your portfolio, puts you at harm's way, higher cost, conflicts, and misdeeds against your money. As always, if you're not a client of our firm and you want to become a client, call our office for a consultation. We manage larger portfolios, $500,000 and greater. We'd love to help get your portfolio back on track, get rid of the conflicts and the financial abuse of Wall Street. Have yourself a safe and profitable day.